Hey guys, so in this video I'll be comparing the Unihertz Shark versus the Unihertz Tank 3 Pro. It's just to point out the differences and similarities between both 5G rugged phones. Anyway, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dive into it.
Perfect.
So there we go guys, the Unihertz Shark versus the Tank 3 Pro. Which of the two devices do you think is best in your opinion? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.